This is Steve from SCOARTGLASS. Palo Santo came in today, so I decided to do an Incense stand similar to the one that Stained Glass DIY did. So Rocket, thank you for the inspiration, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use this blue cathedral glass as part of the stand, along with some hammered clear glass, and then this blue wispy glass that will actually hold the Palo Santo. Hi everybody, we're back. Now we're ready for the foil step. I'm going to use silver backed foil because I'm going to keep the solder to the silver. I am not going to patina it, so that's the reason why you can use either silver or copper backed foil. And we'll foil all three of these pieces, and then we will get over to the solder station. Hey everybody, we're at the solder station and let's go ahead and get started on soldering the pieces together. I think before, a lot of people put their glass together and put it on top like this. To me, that's a little vulnerable, even though you have solder on both sides. So what I did is I actually did some foiling, additional foiling around, just leave enough above the glass because I'm actually going to spread these apart and I'm actually going to let it set flat on the bottom. Because then when you come around, you have both sides, but then you can do a flat bead on the bottom, so it'll still sit right, but that will allow you to get a little bit stronger strength and rigidness in the piece, so it's not so easily hit and knocked off. Okay, trying out the stand, and it seems that everything's a little bit slippery on the glass panel. The Palo Santo don't want to stand on its own, so I think I'll have to make an adjustment here. And what I think I might do is make a stand that actually sits on here and can move back and forth depending on the size of your uh, incense and the type of incense you're using. That way when you put it on there, it will keep it from sliding back. That stand will be able to slide back and forth. So once I get that taken care of, I will show the end result for that. So we'll be back. Alright, I made the adjustment that I needed to do. So now as the incense burns and retracts back, you can actually move this piece up and allow it to continue to burn. And then one other thing I did is you can see there's a small hole there, and that is for the stick style incense, the long ones. You can actually stick it inside that hole and then drape it over the end there, and then that way it will as it burns you can still move it forward. You can move it back and you can move it forward. So that was an adjustment. So again, I want to say thanks to Stained Glass DIY for the inspiration. And sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.